Hi everyone, I am Shane Heimer from BSIT2A, and today we're gonna discuss about implementing stack using Linkedlist. So I have an example code here in which we will gonna explain it line by line. So in here we have the on class stack Linkedlist. So this we have in here we have stack node root in which indicates that the root is the top of the stack. Next, we have a class method here in which is stack node, and it declares a static nested classes. So this defines the structure of a code in a linked list. Which node will contain the data and a reference in next node. So in here we have the declaration int data. So we initialize integer data, and we have the structured next in which this serves as a pointer of the next node. Next is we have inside this koan method. We have this method a constructor. This constructor din again. So we have this that data equals data. So this means that this is a constructor that initializes a stack node with given value data. So it assigns past data into the node's data field. Next is we have a one here kanang method in which is empty. So this is a boolean in which can this have a data type of boolean. So this checks if the root or the top is null, so it will return true. Then if else, it will return false. Then we have another one here method which is called push. So we have um kanang one here kanang this. So kanang method is pushes a new value into the stack. So input parameter data is the value of push onto the stack. So next is we um we create an instance of new node. New node. I did like yes, kuan lang yun. Then naman we use if else here. If the root is equals to null, so the new node will be the root or the top. Else if um what is here? Else if the stack is not empty, the current root is saved to temps or temporary variable, which is temp. So the new node becomes the root and the next node is the temp. So it prints the push to the stack. Next is we have the kanang method pop. So as we all know pop kay katong kanang like getting something from the top commercial pop. So we declare a variable here in which int pop integer minimum value because we can like just like the kuan kanang Tower of Hanoi nga like stuck when I take ka hour. So we suppose tower to katong tulo ka buok. Then di ba bawal man na sa rule if imong iuna ang gamay nga number or katong gamay nga disk then ibutang mo ang dako so that's against the rules. So dapat imo iuna ang dako then man gamay. Then next is balhin mo or ana then naman dako jud mo na gamay. Nana na siya ang pop. Next is kan. So I've read man gud sa PowerPoint na naay example sa PowerPoint na dito. So I played man gud Tower of Hanoi before. So that's what I realized or come up in my mind. Na ano ang pop. So if else pop equals to the root data, so the root will wait, I am stuck in here. So one. Otherwise, it returns value to the top. So that the top or the root. So kumukuha siya, return siya sa root that next. Then return pop. Next is kaning method nga peak. Ang peak kay getting the top value ata. Ay not ata but or getting the top uppermost. Yes, that is peak. Then we have created here a method but this peak. So one ganang we use FL said if root or the top equals to null, system that out that print stock is empty, then return the integer minimum value, then else return to root that data. In here we have the the kanang the very main the main method kani mo ni siya ang entry point of the program. So we got here gonna created an instance in which stock as Linkedlist, which is our class. We have a variable na kani siya object, name ng object, kung your stock as Linkedlist. So we have an object here push the value 10 of object, then push value 20, push value 30. So this will simply call the method push method push. Then system that out that print that pop. So pop from the stock. Here we will kanang tanaw the output of this code like kaning pop from stock. Diba? Ito yung mention with kaning wait sa isa. Push kaning 10 push to stock, 20 push to stock, 30 push to stock kay diba namtay ko 3 push nga method. So we call out na siya, ding 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 ding. Moto niya ni sa push din human. Naman siya data, naman siya value. So 10. Load naman 10 din do. So 10 push to stock, then 20, then 30. Then human, we have on here na copy. Call ang method ng pop is 11. S11, 11L, that is SLL. Stock link list, so which is a stock link list type 10, 20, 30. So as what I've said nga ang pop kay getting kanang dako human gamay. So ang pop di ko niya daan ang na di ba gaunam to 10, 20, nya 30. So mina stop so ang 30 so mo yung pop. So mo na ang output is 30. Dayon, we have the top element is 11 peak. So ato man ato man pop na ang 30. I-pop na tong 30. So 10 og 20, 10 og 20 na lang niya. Ang kaning pop ay kaning peak kay ang peak kay kuha man niya ang top element. So or top or root element so yun ba 20. Mo to ni output ang 20.